I've showed this before. It's one of my favorites. I love, 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 love. This is actually a really good brush for beginners because I've heard so many people say like, I can't do my makeup like that. I don't know how to do the eyeshadow, blah, blah, blah. And I feel like this brush can solve everyone's problems. So we're gonna go ahead and show a really easy way to do your eyeshadow if you're a beginner, or just if you want to make it easy and fast and not spend a lot of time doing it. So let me think. I am going to grab Volatile, which is this cute, I don't know what that would be, like a taupe. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring this in here in the crease. Focus on the outer crease and bring it in a little bit. You see how I brush from one side to another patiently. It's very important. A lot of times we're not patient and we just expect it to look perfect as soon as we put it on our eyebrow. I'm sorry, on our eyelid. And then people just think they don't know how to do their makeup. But no, if you're just a little patient, it would be perfect. Bring it down a little bit and then go back and forth, back and forth. And this is the same brush that I'm literally going to use to do everything. I'm going to come back and add another color to it and stack it on top. Let me see. I feel like this one's deeper, so let me grab a little bit more. I think that's about right. Okay. Now I'm going to grab, should we do Drama? I'm going to grab Drama and see what kind of drama I can make. So, ooh, it's very pigmented, so let's see. We start lower, not like so high on the lid. Like that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay. Now we're gonna grab again and do the same on this side. That's so funny because right now I'm about to start getting ready to go to fit camp, and I'm gonna go like all dramatic. People are gonna think I'm going clubbing or something. I have a fitness class that I run with my teammates, and who the hell wears makeup to a workout? I do. Okay, so now I want to grab some of this Wild Child, this pink tone, and I'm gonna grab that with my finger and apply it right on the lid. Something like that. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same with the other finger. You know, just dab, 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 dab all over the place on the lid, and then start smudging with the same finger. A little bit more right here and smudge it. Okay, so we have that. Now with that same finger, I'm just gonna clean it. You can have a wipe or anything. I'm gonna do it on my pants because you don't know what's going on down here. I have some sweatpants on. So I'm gonna grab Dreamer, which is this color, with both fingers, and I am going to Whoops, I think I might have grabbed too much. Whoops. And I'm going to go on the inner corner of the eye and do that little trick, which I love. It just makes your eye like stand out a little bit more. And then clean it upwards a little. And we're good. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Show you guys how we do it. So I try to do it as fast as possible or else I get stuck. And that's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab the Roller Lash Mascara once again. Make sure to leave like a little bit like that at the tip, and that's what you're gonna grab on the tip of the lashes and do exactly what I'm doing, and then you're gonna pull that up. I swear I need some energy in my life. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry out a little bit. We're obviously gonna go back and chew like 10 more times because that's what we do. We put on a lot of goddamn mascara. I apply my concealer after I do all that good stuff. I hear good and bad. I hear that you should never put it on after the powder. I heard this like gorgeous lady that's been doing it for years say, what? That is exactly the way that it should be done. So I realized the way that it works better for me is after all the powders. But I do realize that I don't really have that much like dark circles unless I don't really get like a good sleep the night before. Then I'll definitely need to apply some extra. But as of now, I am going to be using the Bobbi Brown in Warm Ivory concealer. It's like kind of like not there anymore. So what I do is just go like that, and with these fingers I do this. I rub it, focusing in this area so I can highlight nicely, but then I pull it back. I'm gonna grab my Tarte in the color Dazzled Tarte blush with the little blush like this. These are blush faces. Okay, and I will be grabbing, there's a brush I need. Okay, next we'll do the job, and there is, I have this Too Faced palette which I've used in other videos, and I'm gonna grab Chocolate Soleil from the Too Faced line, and I'm gonna use that as a little bit of contouring back here. And I think we are all set to go. Last and final step, very important, it's lip liner, you guys. I'm gonna go a little, what do you call that? A little glam. So So this is in the color Natural. I love it because literally you can use it with anything. And I'm gonna grab this Bite lipstick. I don't know what color it is. Grace. Bite Beauty. I got this, I think it was like a birthday gift or something from Sephora. So, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do our hair a little bit and I will be right back with you guys. Hey lovers, so this is the final look. I must say that I really did love these. I heard so many reviews and I definitely was not disappointed. I did feel at first that the foundation was a little too light for me, but as the whole makeup went on, I feel that the color is actually really good for me. Maybe for some other days or nights, depending on the time of the day, I will need to have one that's a tad bit darker, or maybe once I lighten up because it is summer and I'm a little tan right now, it will be an even better color. But other than that, I love how it is matte, and I did suggest earlier in the video that if you are dry skin, it might not be too good for you, but I wouldn't know that either. I have oily skin, so I suggest that if you have dry skin that you go to Sephora and ask them for a sample, so that that way you're sure before you actually purchase it. I believe it's about 34 if I'm not mistaken. I think so. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will be making more videos more regularly now. I had been very busy with the remodeling of the house, which we're still not finished, but we're still trying to remodel here and there. But I think that I am better managing my time now, so I'll be making more videos. Anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions. Comment down below. Let me know if there's a certain product you want me to go purchase so I can make another review on it and blah blah blah. You know how it goes. Talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.